Do you want to say hi? Sorry, good to say
hello.
my brother, everybody. Okay, as you can see, I'm in the car. So today we're going out to Mall of Asia and Ikea, or IKEA, however you pronounce it. I pronounce it as Ikea. And we're gonna buy some home decor. And I might get a new phone today. Not sure yet, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll see you guys there.
Depends on me.
Depends on my mom. I don't know why I feel like vlogging in the Philippines is a lot more embarrassing than vlogging. I can't talk to the camera right now. There's so many people, guys. Oh, you can barely see me. It's like my apartment. Oh, it's just literally just this one little... I didn't know it was called Body Puff. Apparently, so I went to Power Mac earlier to check out like models of phones, and apparently someone recognized me. Oh, that's so cute. Like, they messaged me on Instagram because they were too shy to say hi. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
Out of sand, reaching for the grand.
Finally eating. Oh, love me some Swedish meatballs. Ano ulit? In charge of filming, Shaine Hong. Hey! Wait, how did I not think of that? Yung colors ng IKEA, yung colors ng Swedish flag.
Yeah.
Wait, alam mo yun? Tagal na na. It's social distancing right now, so all three of us can't sit together. Also, look at this. It's Tansan. I completely forgot about this in the Philippines. Like, I'm not used to guards like at every entrance, like checking your bag and stuff anymore. Hello everybody. So today my brother, my dad, and my mom are all getting their booster shots. I am going to be getting mine in Korea, so basically I'm just going to be tagging along for today. So yeah, I just decided to vlog because why not? It's like me going out once again after staying at home for so long. So that is the plan. And I'm just going to be doing my makeup. And I'll see you guys in the car. We're off to eat. Sure. Why am I so red? You're overly cautious of the camera. You keep looking at it. Oh, you're not even in the frame.
Chicken ketchup po. Then pizza na lang po yung ulam. Thank you.
Thank you. It's so big. Hello! So we just got back home. We ate at a mall called Venice Piazza, which is like a... what do you call that?
Bootleg version.
A bootleg version of Italy's Venice. So we just ate there and quickly like left because we didn't want to be exposed any longer to COVID. This arrived in the mail and this was sent to me by EL. She was featured in my last vlog, if you guys remember. Oh, this is so tiring. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Alright. It's a microphone because I mentioned that I wanted to try doing more voiceovers and maybe podcasting. So EL was thoughtful enough to send me a microphone. Oh, I'm so excited to test it out. Thank you. Also tomorrow, I'm finally getting my hair done. It's like by appointment, so I'm not too worried about there being a lot of people because when I checked, I was the only one who had a reserved slot for tomorrow. So finally, we're getting rid of this mess. Let's see what my hairstyle will be like tomorrow. I'll catch you then. Oh, why isn't it focusing? Hello everybody. Today we are finally going to the hair salon to get my hair done, which has honestly taken way too long. So let's go. lighting. Oof, the lighting. I am now black-haired, everybody, but I like it. So COVID is bad. I just got my hair done and now we're gonna go home and I'm gonna start editing. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll see you guys soon. We are home. My hair feels so light. I honestly don't know how I lived with my hair from before. Also, I was initially planning to have my hair colored and like bleached and everything, but after a whole entire year of not doing anything to my hair, I felt like I just needed to treat it first. So I'm just gonna try and keep my hair healthy for now, and I might go through with like coloring it and everything once I go back to Korea, because I get my style and inspirations from Korea anyway, so I feel like it'd be better to just go straight directly to the salon. So yeah, that is my hair for today and a few months. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do. It feels so light, and I'll see you guys soon. So I feel like that is the end for this vlog. I'm going to be editing this vlog soon, so I have to end the vlog here. And I feel like I haven't made like a proper closing in a while, so I'm sorry for that. Here it is. And since COVID is increasing, besides like the clips I showed you from this vlog, we usually have been just staying at home. Just a reminder, everyone, please keep safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.